Here we have the Fiat Electric 13 watts 2-pin GX23 CFL bulb. This is a non-self-ballasted bulb. This is just a tube. It contains mercury, as most good lighting sources do, with the exception of incandescent and halogen. 13 watts, 2700 Kelvin. So allegedly lasts up to 10,000 hours. So this should be compatible with this bulb, or with this lamp. Now this has kind of a interesting something or other up here. It's got like a little rubber band kind of thing keeping the bulb in place, and it just broke. I was able to get it off once successfully before, but this time it did break. Probably from the heat, it just degraded. That's kind of unfortunate. I suppose it's not really necessary. I think this holds the bulb in place adequately by itself. Oh. Come on. Okay. So now we can just slip the bulb out. And it looks like it's the same thing. So this is a 13 watt 6400 Kelvin, which is a little bit too blue for my preference in this type of light. So we're going to take this one. Am I the right bulb for you? You have mercury, so yes you are. I'm going to take this bulb out of the box here. And this one is soft white, 2700 Kelvin, so it should be equivalent to incandescent color. Okay, let's turn it on. Try to get this real close so you can hear the startup sounds. That is so cool. Alright, let's see if I don't die before the end of the video. Okay, so this is a much more pleasant color of light for something close up like this. It does seem to be pretty much the same color as incandescent. It's still a little flickery, but not as bad. I figured it wouldn't be as bad with a new bulb. I think that other bulb is getting towards the end of its lifespan. You can start to see the bottom is it's got some blackening on there, and for a preheat that means it's been running for some time. So I think this bulb is got a lot of hours on it. This is a brand new bulb, and while I'm sure it does still have some flicker, it's not as bad. There is still a band on the camera, but it's different. It's much smaller, not as big. All right, so that's cool. This is, oh, man. So this is working satisfactorily now to my preference. It also seems a little bit brighter. Maybe it's just an illusion from the color temperature. So I think that this light is going to go into the computer room maybe, because I still have that other preheat CFL in there, so it'd be kind of cool to have two preheat fluorescent bulbs. Now this is much more usable now with this color temperature bulb. Very cool. One more time.